This example begins by telling us that H is on the interior of angle MAT. So I'll begin by drawing angle MAT. Angle MAT is an angle that has a vertex of A. And M and T are points on the sides. And it says that H is on the interior. So I'll put a point H somewhere on the interior of that angle. Alrighty, and I'll even put a ray that goes through H. Cool. So next it says that angle MAH is equal to 39. So I'll find angle MAH, angle MAH, and I'll put a 3x minus 9 inside that angle. Then it says that angle TAH is equal to 2x plus 1. So I'll find angle TAH and write 2x plus 1. Cool. And then it says that MAT is x plus 28. So MAT is our large angle there. Angle M, A is the vertex, and T is on the other side. It's x plus 28. And then the question tells us to find the measure, the little m means measure, find the measure of angle MAH. So to do this, we're going to set it up by thinking that a part plus the other part is going to add up to the whole angle. And in this problem, one of the parts would be your angle MAH there. So angle MAH is one of the small parts, and the other part would be that angle HAT. The whole angle, the Big Papa angle, would be this angle MAT. That's called the angle addition postulate. So now we can plug the numbers in. MAH was 3x minus 9. HAT was 2x plus 1. And MAT was x plus 28. So now all we have to do is some algebra and figure out what x is so we can figure out what our angle measure is. So this algebra is going to begin by looking at some like terms. On the left side of the equation, I have two x terms. So we'll combine those. We'll say 3x and 2x make 5x. And then I've got a negative 9 and a positive 1 that'll come together to make negative 8. And there are no terms to combine on the right side, it just stays like it is. So now after simplifying by combining like terms, I can get all my x's on one side of the equation and all my numbers on the other. So I'll subtract x. And 5x minus x is 4x. And I'll move over that minus 8 by adding 8 to both sides. And lastly, let's divide by 4. And x will equal 36 divided by 4 is 9. Now I'm not done because the question said find the measure of angle MAH. So I'm going to take that 9 and I'm going to plug it back into the expression for angle MAH, which is this one right here. So angle MAH was equal to 3x minus 9. And we know that x is 9. So it's going to be 3 times 9 minus 9. 3 times 9 is 27 minus 9, and 27 minus 9 is 18. So that's going to be 18 degrees.